Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a bike video again. So I'm going to change the entire lock set of the Royal Enfield Thunderbird. So what happened is I actually broke the petrol tank cap. So one of the screws actually fell off, and then I was trying to open it and it was a little rough and I broke this. So I needed a new petrol tank cap, but then you actually get a complete set which is much cheaper. So this is for 700 rupees. So for 700 rupees you'll get a petrol tank cap, the ignition lock, the handle lock, and both the side locks for your bike. Now for that I actually bought the lock set. Now I'll be changing all the locks. So there are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 locks that we'll have to change. So in this video we'll be seeing how to change the 6 locks of the Royal Enfield Thunderbird. Okay, so now we are going to change the handle lock. Now the handle lock is the same as the one on the side over here. So you'll have 2 of them, so you can choose any one of them. So I'm going to put this over here. Now to put this, you'll have to use a Allen key, and the Allen key bolt are not accessible while the handle is locked. So once it's unlocked, this is where the bolt is. So this is where the lock is. You'll have to change it from here. So there are 2 Allen key bolts over here. So I have a Allen key set, so let's see which one will fit this. So that is number 4. So you'll have to use a number 4 Allen key to open this up. Okay, that's the old one. Now we'll have to put the new one. Now this one goes in this way. Put the bolts. Okay, done. Now let's check if it's working. Okay, done. So this is done, this is done. Now let's do this side. Okay, so let's open this up now. Now to change the locks on this, it's actually easy. You don't even need to sit with the bike. So we'll be doing that later. Let's change this one first. Now let me open this up. Done. Now my toolkit is not here. It's all inside there. So it's lying empty. But anyways, I still have to change the bolt. Now this one will be a little difficult because the angle is weird. Now normally what people do is they remove this first, this plate, and then try to change this. But we'll try doing it without it. Hopefully it works. Now it's the same Allen key. Okay, so that's the lock. And let's change it. Put a new one. This is the one. This goes in there like that. Put the screw. Okay, so that's done. Now let's change the lock for this one. Okay, so now we are going to change the locks for both the side panels. So both are the same, so you can choose any, it doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and open it up. Now one thing with opening this up is the width of this is a little big. So if you have like a 22 spanner, it will not work. You'll need a 24 at least for this. So I use this kind of a spanner which is actually meant for plumbing. So this actually works better with these. So I just use this and open it up. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this in. Now the washer has to be removed, that goes from the other side. So we put this in. Now there's already a notch over here which goes here. So you will not be able to put it in any other way. Now once you put that in there, this will not move. Now put the washer in. Now let's go ahead and just put it and lock. Done. So now let's finish the second one. Okay, done. Okay, so now we're going to change the lock over here, the ignition lock. Now this is the hardest one because you have to open this entire thing. So you'll have to first remove these two bolts. There's one here and one on the other side. Okay, so that's the ignition lock. Now you can actually see the screwdriver over here. Actually the screws over here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. So there's one here and one here. So we just have to open that up. So the screw is here. One down. Next one is here. Okay, that's done. Okay, so that's the lock. So we remove the lock. Okay, so now we'll have to put this in from the bottom. Make sure this part is on top. We'll have to wiggle it in, and that's it. Now it goes in. Now there are two screws that you have to put in. Okay, so it's done. Now we have to put this in. Now we have to remove the previous one which is still here. Okay, so this is the one. So we remove it from here. Pull this out. Okay, so that's the old one. Now we put the new one in. Okay, so that's it. Now let's fit it back again with the two Allen key bolts. Okay, all done. Now let's put the speedometer cable again. When you're putting a speedometer wire, make sure you turn the wire, turn the wheel, so you know that it has actually gone in. If not, sometimes it doesn't go in properly, and when you're riding the bike, it will break. That's it. Now we just have to close this. That's it. All done. All the locks have been changed now. Now let's test if the ignition lock is working. Okay, perfect. Okay, so that's how how you change the entire lock set of a Royal Enfield Thunderbird. Now you can actually do the same thing with other bikes also. So in case you want help with that, you can always message me and I'll help you with that too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.